The heart of Zimbabwe, a land of many voices. In the heart of southern Africa, where the mighty Zambezi River flows and the legendary Victoria Falls roars, there lies a land of unparalleled beauty, Zimbabwe. A place where every sunrise brings a new song, every sunset tells an ancient tale, and every voice adds to the symphony of its diverse people. Zimbabwe is not just a country, it is a melody of 16 languages, each carrying the spirit of its people. From the rhythmic beats of Shona proverbs, the poetic flow of Ndebele praise poetry, to the rare whispers of Tonga, Venda, and Kalanga, this land speaks in many tongues but sings in one harmony. A land of tradition and unity across the vast plains of Matabeleland, elders sit beneath the great baobab tree, telling folk tales in Ndebele, passing down wisdom from generation to generation. In the hills of Manicaland, the soft echoes of Ndao and Shangani can be heard in laughter-filled villages, where dance and music are a way of life. To the south, the Venda and Sotho communities weave their heritage into vibrant fabrics, their homes adorned with patterns that tell stories older than time. And in the deep valleys of Binga, the Tonga people paddle their canoes along the Zambezi, speaking in a language that has survived centuries of change. Despite these differences in language, one thing binds them all: Hunhu Ubuntu, the belief that I am because we are. It is in the way Zimbabweans greet one another, the way they share food, and the way a stranger is never left to walk alone. The beauty of Zimbabwe, beyond its languages and cultures, Zimbabwe's landscapes are a wonder to behold. From the towering eastern highlands, where mist kisses the rolling green mountains, to the golden plains of Hwanga National Park, where elephants roam free, the country is a paradise of nature. The Great Zimbabwe ruins stand as a testament to an ancient civilization, where stone walls rise without mortar, whispering the secrets of a great kingdom. And in the streets of Harare and Bulawayo, the energy of the people is as vibrant as the city murals that color the walls. A future rooted in heritage. As Zimbabwe moves forward, its 16 languages remain its strength, a reminder that diversity is not a division, but a foundation. The elders teach the youth, the past inspires the future, and the heartbeat of the nation continues to echo through its languages, its culture, and its people. For in Zimbabwe, every voice matters, every language tells a story, and every Zimbabwean, no matter where they are, carries the spirit of their homeland within them. Zimbabwe, a land of many voices, one heart.